gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Almost clicked out of it. I think we're gonna keep going down. That would be clean. It will fall all the way here. Boom! Oh! Oh my god, it thinks we're good! Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's it doing? What's good? What a dump or remarket we got. And the Globex. Whew. This thing is tanking. We still got room downwards. This looks like it might just try to pop up. I think I got a little bit of targets way up here, but like overall, I want to see this thing dizzy dump. We'll see. We got about a minute, a little over a minute. Testing this aggressive trend. $24.9 would be a never mind. Forgot to click off my. All right, here we go. Couple seconds. $550. If we break this, it could go up some more. I might be a little late on this, but I'm gonna see if we can grab something from it. There we go. I'm a 400. Might just get out right there. Let's go. This might keep buying up here. Yo, what up, Yash? What's good? What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? We just banged out this long right quick on the open. Locked in 7,500 on these apexes. I wanted to see the pump. Once it broke this 550, I wanted to see the pump to 600. Pumped right to it. Got out. So beautiful. So beautiful. Now let's see if we reject and come down. Let me see what this O'Reilly's at. It's got a little bit of, yeah. I mean, we could get up to like 675 if it wants to get up here. 667 up to 670. That would be this up here. We could reach this up here before it starts to reverse, but SPS is falling though. Falling hard, falling hard. Let's see if NQ is going to hold here or if SPS is going to take a low and NQ follows. I have one more set of accounts to trade. I banged out about 5 different firms from pre-market. So I have one more set here to trade yet. SPS is breaking the low. This could fall. Oh yeah. SPS is falling. Couple seconds left on the 5. Are we going to continuation dump? Yep. There she goes. Oh, shit. Forgot to put my order size in. Oh well. Well, I didn't get into that one. You traded all today there, Yash? Yeah, right. So what do we got? We locked in all these. So G on those. Oh, look at this long. This could be getting up here. Up in the zone up here. Big volatility right now. Huge volatility. SPX breaks. Breaks at 778. This might go. NQ will probably fly up into here. Here she goes. I'm just gonna wait to trade these last 5 accounts. Maybe when we see orb or something, but this is target up here. There she goes. SPX is ripping it up here. Big. Right in this box is massive area. Massive area right in there. Like how it hit 660 and it just rejected from that. Just rejected from this box. Well, boop. Massive dump back down. Massive dump. There's so much in that area. Previous week low, London open, monthly, weekly open, Monday mid, London high. That's all in here. That's New York. Well, New York high now, yeah, but this right here is so much shit. So much shit in there. Clean ass rejection down. Big rejection down too. Holy. Massive dump. Actually, this is still holding the aggressive trend up. Like it broke it, we came right back into it, closed it, broke it again, come right back into it. This is still holding for the long. But I ain't testing no long. SPS is weak. So weak. It's back at its breaking a low. And Q might be falling here soon. And Q might be falling soon. We got a couple of minutes until orb. All right, 30 seconds until orb. SPS is dumping. SPS is major dumping. SPS is leaving gaps behind. All right, let me lock in midline. He lost this aggressive trend. SPS is going for those gap fills. There's one of them. I didn't even check if there's news today. No. Fill the second gap. We got one more to fill yet. It's almost there. Break back in the midline, retested it, and pumped it back up into the area of interest. SPS could not get back up to fill that third one yet, though. My TikTok working? Huh. I don't think my TikTok is working. SPS could not fill that gap. Came right back down. It's breaking, trying to break bottom side orb. I don't know if my TikTok's working. Whatever. It says it is. But... oh, my stuff ain't showing up though. It's weird. Whatever. SPS is under orb. Retesting. This could make a drop here. 40 seconds on the 5. Yep, there's a drop. A lot of interest down here yet. 75 is point of control. SPS is still falling. This could keep going on NASDAQ. NASDAQ could get down, test bottom side orb. New 5-minute candle here. See if we get a pop back up. $477 is previous day, Monday low. Ugh. Back to midline. Oh, shit, I am tired, man. I got barely any sleep last night. I got like maybe a couple hours. Stuff like shit. SPS is trying to break a back above its orb. A lot of orders down here for it. SPS could not get it back above its orb yet. We're just chopping around. Big orb. Big orb. 5 minutes trying to round it up. 1 minute's working it, but we'll see. SPS still cannot reclaim bottom side orb, and Q cannot reclaim midline. Right back down it goes. I'm gonna sit back, be patient. I took my one clear trade. I was very confident in where it was going. Once it broke here, I'm like, yep, it's going there. Nailed that one. So I'm waiting. This is just real choppy. This is really wiki, really wiki. SPS is still failing bottom side orb. SPS is holding under its orb still. Yeah. 5 minutes is really unsure what's it do. 30 minutes holding down. 4 hour. Yeah, that daily, there's just really big volume at that 24,600 area. There's a lot of volume right in here. Big volume. All the way from 24,400 all the way up to, I mean, honestly, 24,600. After that, it's kind of tapers down. Then it's all the way up to 24,800 would be the next. I mean, you can get it up to like 650. Yes, is coming down. Time for a new low. Looks like it's gonna tank. SPS made a new low. All right, we got some massive orders down here coming in. They're on the good old book map. Lots of orders down here. Yep, here goes the volatility. Is this 9 o'clock? That's why. The New York boys are stepping in. What are we gonna do? SPX testing. This could be the move that brings it up. Right back to midline. SPX is trying to regain. It still cannot. SPX is still rejecting bottom side orb. NQ is still rejecting midline here. Going for another attempt. SPX does have a gap up top if it wants to start to go. We just gotta break this 600 area is way up there. In order for it to really climb. Big rejection here. SPS gave it another go on breaking its bottom side orb. It could not do it. Huge rejection. All right. We could get it down here. If it wants to break. But we're chilling right now. We still chilling. Oh, now she's getting real aggressive. These are big candles. Big candles. That's always an $800 candle right here. These are just massive candles. SPX on the one is looking very terrible. 5 minutes trying to roll under. The hourly's nasty. Yeah, hourly is nasty downside. There goes the dumpy dump. This could bring it down to like 40, 30 down here. $380. Oh, there's 400 way down here. 380 way down here. Could just melt if it wants to give it up. Still waiting on a nice clear setup for me. Or some nice volume to step in here. 448. Reclaim. Popping this thing back up here. Could get back up to midline here. SPS is getting back up to bottom side orb. If SPS can reclaim bottom side orb, I think NQ gets way up here. They are actually moving together. So, I mean, that is nice. I think we break here, we get down to this 400. We're just chopping it around. I'm gonna have to go to the bath here. Ooh, this is looking real bad. This looks like it's gonna drop here at some point, yo. 30-minute looks garbage. 4 hour. 4 hour is holding it down still. I mean, the daily's down, yeah, but 30 is down. This 15-minute looks bad. Hourly looks bad. For 50, yeah, right here is, it loses this, it's gonna collapse. Yeah, it loses this low, it's gonna collapse it. SPS is trying to get back above bottom side orb here. 10 seconds left on it. And Q's already rejecting. SPS brought right back underneath again. It just can't get above it. This thing is either gonna absolutely rip it back up if it can reclaim bottom side, or this thing is gonna be calling it quits and it's gonna dump it. And it's gonna dump it hard. So those are the two options I am really waiting on. Either SPX regains bottom side orb, or it says enough is enough and we fall. NQ starts breaking here. I think we just fall. No, I don't think my TikTok shit is working correctly. They're big old candles. Big old candles. Yep, big chop. Big chop. Big candles. But it's just chopping. Ugh. You don't want to be on the wrong side of one of these candles. It'd be bad news. Still have not entered anything on my other accounts. Like when I do enter, it will pop up. Well, and SPX left a pretty decent gap up here. I don't think NQ is going to lose bottom side orb just yet. A 1 minute, a 5 minute, yo, this is starting to round it down now. This might start be. I like to see it pop that back up first. It did lose it. It can't reclaim it. This might go here. SPX did leave a pretty massive gap up top though. The only thing I don't like, but it is taking a new low. I'd like to see this thing pop back up before it dumps, to be honest with you. This might be giving it up here, actually, yo. SPS is kind of stalling. NQ is making the move, but SPS is kind of stalling. Here's the test of this. It swept it. SPS is not moving, though. I honestly want to see a close below here. It's trying. SPS is starting to go here too. Still got 20 seconds. This might be the move. Gonna miss it. 5 seconds. This did not move aggressively down there though. I wanted to see this 400 test real fast. Is this gonna continue it or are we gonna pop it up? Might continue it down. This is holding it down here, but going this 400 test would be a target. It's trying to pop it up here. The 5 minute looks really nasty. 1 minute is trying to round it up a little bit, but A 5-minute is gross looking. Super bad, super bad. I'm actually really surprised SPS left that big of a gap up top. This might 3-bar down here. SPS is holding. Here it goes. And Q's kind of holding it out here. SPX made the move. Yep, they're starting to go. I don't like how it just gets bought right back up like that. That's what's making me hesitant to enter. Like, I wanted to see the hold and just go. It did not do that. Now it's going to. I just. That massive gap up top on SPX, I do not like. This thing could just rip it right back up at any moment. All right, we hit target 1 on SPX. Is it going to hold it here or is it going to keep it going? Here's that 400 test right there. All right, do we hold this here or are we going for the low? A 3-bar down was clean, right? The main target. I want to see if that's going to hold it. I mean, the 5-minute still looks so bad. The 5-minute looks terrible. This might not be. Could be going for the low down here. And then maybe it pops it back up. SPX is still going and Q is. Yeah, this might keep going. This thing's ripping it down. I kind of want to see like a reversal come into play. SPS is leaving gaps behind. What up, Coda? I don't want to take this buy up. SPS testing its first gap fill. See if it rejects from it or if we're going to blow through it and go for the next one. It is rejecting from it so far. We do, and I'm waiting for one more trade I want to take on set of accounts I have not done yet. I'm waiting on it. I wanted this hit target down here. I came for it, but I just didn't like how it was reacting. So I didn't take it. And Q says, not, we're going lower yet. Alright, we got 370. Oh yeah, right here. That is previous 4-hour low and London low. So I like to see this pop it back up here. Maybe it sweeps it. We might just continue to dump. Like really dump. About to take that low. There it went. Took the low. I'm gonna see how we react around here. I mean, after this, I don't have target until like 280. I want to see if we can bounce it back up. Should have took it there. Should have took that. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see if we can buy it up a little bit. Nope. Looks like it's not going to. Hold it up here. Hold it up here. I want to see if we can buy this back up and fill some of those gaps on SPX, or how weak this thing really is. This might continue. Let me see if we can buy that back up here. Tried it. Just it's kind of saying, I don't know. I might add one more into it right here. If we break the low, I'll get out. We are breaking. But it is trying to hold it. I want to see if we can get back up there. Here we go. Come on. I want to see this get bought back up a little bit here. Yeah, I'll be on rocket quota. Oh, this doesn't have the strength to go. Come on. I want to see this buy back up a little. It doesn't have the strength. It's still holding it though. SPS is looking okay. I want to see if we can buy this back up. I'm trying for a quick scalp on it, but NQ is just saying I'm too weak. Oh, this is gonna take me out. Yeah, this might just keep going here. SPX is still holding. NQ is the one that's weak though. Get back up there. Nope. I don't know if this is going to. There we go. SPS is buying it up. Come on, NQ. SPS has to get over the little range that it's at, or NQ is gonna fall hard. Couple seconds left on this minute. Oh, and on the 5. This is holding. This might try to push back up. There it went. That was way fast. A little too fast for me. Damn. It did buy up, but I want to see a little bit more than that. I want to see if we can get back up to like 30 area, way up there by that 3 bar. That would be my target. SPS is trying to go for that first gap fill that it rejected from. Does it have the strength? Does it have the strength to do it? This is first target up here. That's what I'm trying to aim for. Get it. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get up there. And bang. Bang. There's target. That's how you do it. There we go. That's what I like to see. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. 1,500 on the day on those. Let's go. Those are passed. We got daily payouts, baby. Times 5. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Exactly what I wanted right there. Hell yeah. Let me out of doze. Exactly what I wanted to see right there, baby. Hell yeah. Hey, 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 yeah. Oh, I am a little short on those. By 300? Really? I'm at 52, almost 800, so almost 200 short on them. Because of fees, I see. That's okay. All right, so I got one more day on those, but we caught that long, baby. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Caught that fucker. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Took that thing up to main target. It was right here. This was my target. Bang. Yes, sir. All right. We're gonna call it there. Don't. No, I got no reason to touch really these. Beautiful trade. A beautiful trade. That's what I waited for. This whole down move, I was waiting for the buyback up. I waited and I waited and I waited for it. This candle here, this one right here, this started. I took the buy on there. It came down. I added into the D-Say date into this position. I was like this rounding right here. I like how I was holding it, holding and holding it. And then this one came and it just ran right to my target. Let's go. Let's go. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. He's ripping it. This might be going for that big gap fill that I was so surprised it left behind here. And there it goes. This might be that move up here. Kind of want to take it. You know what? I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to touch them. I got no reason to. I'm green on these. There's no reason to touch them. I'm not doing it. I'm going to end the stream here. We're not doing what we did yesterday. Okay. This is probably going to get up here. I like the long. I like where SPX is going, but could come back down to test down here too. But I'm going to call it. We'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate it coming in. Much love. God bless. And peace out.